Welcome to SYCARDA, our data analytics platform that provides hundreds of key insights that drive revenue and profitability for our retail and F&B clients. Today, I would like to share with you just 4 of these insights that will give you an understanding of how SYCARDA helps you track and drive better decisions. Average basket sales over time. There are only 2 ways for retailers and F&B operators to increase their revenues per outlet, either by increasing the number of customers or by increasing their average spend. The average basket sale over time report quickly illustrates for you whether your customers' average spend per transaction is increasing or decreasing over time. We are demonstrating using our demo dashboard, and basically what we're doing is selecting the time period we wish to track, the grouping of outlets we are wishing to see, and then just selecting the outlets in the grouping. You will notice we track your average basket sale over time using both the mean and median spend. The insight visualizes for you whether your average basket spend has increased, decreased, or stagnated. Challenge your sales and marketing teams or even your outlet managers to push this number up and track them in real time to see if your promotional campaigns are effective. SKU Reports. The SKU report is a powerful tool to help you understand which of your products are popular and moving well with your customers. If you are an F&B operator, you can use these insights to engineer your menu, and if you are a retailer, you will use this to determine your optimal inventory. We give you the flexibility to select from multiple points of view. For example, you can select to see if you want to see your top, bottom, or all your SKUs, and you can determine if you want to rank them by occurrence, quantity, or value. Ranking them by quantity will tell you how many units of the SKU has been sold over that period of time, while ranking them by value will rank them according to the amount of revenue that they have brought in. Ranking them by occurrence will tell you how often this particular SKU appears across your receipts. For example, if the SKU appears in 60 out of 100 receipts, then it has an occurrence rate of 60%. This gives you a different view of how popular this particular SKU is compared against the more typical SKU by quantity report. One person buying 100,000 of the same item is a very different story from 10,000 people buying the same one item. When you load the insight, you can actually drill down from the SKU to the outlets, to the transaction days, and finally to the transaction hours, giving you a deep level of granularity into how well a particular SKU moves across your outlets and helping you to track any SKU related campaigns you might be running. Use this report to also find out of which SKUs are inefficient and just taking up space on your shelves and should be removed quickly. Related item purchased. The related item purchased report gives you exceptional detail in how your customers are interacting with your products by listing the top 10 items being bought together with a particular SKU. As an example, we will select the chicken noodle SKU and see what other items are being bought together with it. SYCARDA will go through every single transaction in a date range selected and start counting the top 10 items that appear together in the receipt that contains the word chicken noodle. If you have an F&B outlet, you can use this insight to design your next set meal promotion that will help you to increase your average spend at your outlets. If you are a retailer, use this design to purchase with purchase promotions that will help you move your inventory quickly. Receipt validation. SYCARDA captures every single transaction at your outlets, and we display each receipt in the receipt validation report. Use this insight to zoom in and view any receipt and see in detail who the cashier was, what was bought, how it was paid, and how often that receipt has been reprinted. You can also track suspicious transactions in your sales and understand what is going on immediately. You will also be able to view all transactions that have been voided, cancelled, or whether a receipt has been reprinted with discrepancies between the original and the reprinted receipts. SYCARDA's receipt validation report protects you against fraudulent practices and poor SOPs in your stores. These are just 4 out of many reports, which is happening in real time. Increase your revenue and lower your costs. Be a retail data master by using SYCARDA. SYCARDA is the most affordable and user-friendly retail data analytics platforms for retailers and F&B operators in the market. Demo with us right now and see how your business scales.
SYCARDA. Sell smarter.